Damn, man.
Stay in the car. Let me see your other hand.
I'm sorry.
Let me see your other hand.
Please, Mr.
Both hands.
Do nothing.
Put your hands up right now. Let me see your other hand. Put your hand up there. Put your hand up there. Hands on the wheel. Keep your hands on the wheel.
I'm sorry, sir.
Who else is in the car?
This is my
Put your foot back in.
I'm so sorry. God dang, man. Man, I got shot the same way as I was before.
Okay, well, when I say let me see your hands, you put your hands up.
I'm so sorry,
You got them?
man. Dang, man.
Put your hands on top of your head.
Last time I got shot like that was I was
Hands on top of your head. Hands on top of your head. Step out of the vehicle and step away from me, all right? Step out and face away. Step out and face away.
Okay, please don't shoot me. Please, man.
I'm not going to shoot you. Step out and face away.
I'm going to get out of here, man. Please don't shoot me, man. Please, man. I just lost my mom, man.
Step out and face away. Step out and face away.
Please don't shoot me, Mr. Officer. Please don't shoot me, man.
Step out and face away.
Can you not shoot me, man?
I'm not shooting you. Step out and face away.
Okay. Please, man. Please. I didn't know, man.
Get out of the car.
I didn't know, Mr. Officer. I didn't know.
Right now.
Stop moving. Put your hand behind your back then. I'm not going to do nothing. Face in the door.
Get his other home.
Hey, you come back. Stay in the car. Stop resisting, man. Yes, you are. Stand up.
Against the wall. Yes.
What I doing?
We're figuring out what's going on. Drop the bag.
Figure out what's going on.
Adam,
What's the problem?
Said something to him. It ain't us.
we was getting a ride,
I
sir.
just got my phone fixed. It's my ex-man.
Adam don't be.
That's my ex.
Are you good?
He keep telling me, get my car.
That's it, man.
No, they
You
not
can
tell
ask
Floyd.
Mr.
Mr.
Adam.
Floyd to jail.
You can ask Mr. Adam about me.
Do you have ID?
I'm on 38 to the house.
320 or 44.
38 to
Mr.
the
Adam about
house.
me, sir. I just came to buy the tablet, and when I bought the tablet, it didn't. He didn't
Oh
work.
my
Whatever.
God. He didn't even do nothing.
Here you go, sir.
Do you have ID?
No, I don't. My name's
anything with your
Shawan
name on it?
Renee Hill. No.
Sir.
Okay.
I just came over to get my phone to see I don't have a purse or nothing.
Mr. Adam
And my
knows
daughter
me.
is on her way to get me.
What's the deal?
I don't
Mr. Adam
know.
knows me, sir.
That's my ex. I don't know.
Why is he getting all squirrely and not showing us his keys and just being all weird like that?
Because he's been shot before. He don't
Well, I
wanna-
get that, but still, when officers say get out of the car, is
going
he drunk? Is he on something?
Oh, he got a thing going on. I'm telling you
What
about
does
the
that mean?
police. We have problems all the time when they come, especially when that man took that gun like that. It's been one.
What's your first name?
He's pretty good.
George Floyd.
What is it?
He's a good guy. George Floyd, she said.
Ouchie,
What
man.
are you on something right now?
I'm not nothing.
You acting
Yeah.
erratic.
Let's go.
Yeah, man.
Let's go.
God, man. Yes. I was just moving earlier.
Let's go.
Man, but all right, let me calm down now. It's feeling better now.
Keep walking.
Okay, do me one favor, man.
No, when we get to the car, let's get to the car, man. Come on.
Dang, man. Oh, man. God, don't leave me, man. Please, man, leave me, man.
Here.
I
I want to watch that car too, so get him in.
Stand up, stop falling down. Stay on your feet and face the car door.
You get a seat on him?
Please, get out the door, man. I just want to talk to you,
No.
man. Please, let me talk to you,
Man,
please.
you ain't listening to nothing
I
we're
know.
saying, so we're not going to listen to nothing you're saying.
Can you watch that car? Just make sure no one goes in it.
I hear you, but you are going to face the door right now.
Listen up. Stop.
I'll do anything. I'll do anything y'all tell me to do, man. I'm not a resistor, man. I'm not. You can ask him. He know me here,
Check
though.
that side.
God, man, I'm gonna do nothing like that, y'all. Why is it going on like this? Look at my wrist, Mr. Officer. I'm not that kind of guy.
The other side.
Mr. Officer, I'm not that kind of guy.
Stop.
You please. I'm not that kind of guy, Mr. Officer. Please.
Face away.
Please, man. Don't leave me by myself, man. Please. I'm just claustrophobic. That's it.
Well, you're still going in the car.
Anything sharp on you?
I won't do nothing to hurt y'all, Mr. Officer. No, sir. Why? Nothing. I don't have nothing. Why y'all doing me like that, Mr. Officer? Please crack it through for me and stuff, man. I am claustrophobic for real, Mr. Officer.
You got him?
Can you please crack it for me, please?
Yes, I'll
Remember my
crack
name.
it.
Stay with me,
I will.
man.
I will.
Please stay with me, man. Thank you. God, man. I didn't know I was going to happen, man. Please, man. I just want my hand, please. I don't want none of y'all, man. Nothing.
You got it?
Inside in your pocket real quick on your shirt.
I'm listening. And I understand that people do stuff.
All right, he's good. That's whatever. There's nothing worth it.
Okay.
Grab a seat.
Why are you having trouble walking?
I'll roll the windows down, okay?
Please, man. Please don't do
Take a seat.
I'm going in, Mr. Officer. I'm going in.
No, you're not.
I gotta go in.
Take a seat.
Grab a seat, man.
Why y'all don't believe me, Mr. Officer?
Take a seat.
I'm not that kind of guy. I'm not that kind of guy, man.
Take a seat.
Y'all, I'm gonna die here.
Take a seat.
I'm gonna die, man.
You need to take a seat right now.
And I just had COVID, man. I don't want to go back to that.
Okay, I'll roll the windows
No.
down. Hey, listen.
Dang, man.
Listen.
I'm not that kind of guy.
I'll roll the windows down as
Please,
you pull
man.
your legs in, all right? I'll
Y'all
put the air on.
stop. Look at that. Look at that.
Not even listening.
Look at it. Look at it.
We can fix
Look.
it, but not while you're standing out here.
Okay, man. God, y'all do me bad, man. Man, I don't want to try to win. I don't want to try to win. I don't want to win. I'm claustrophobic. I'm claustrophobic. I got anxiety. I don't want to do nothing to them.
I'll roll the window down.
Man, I'm scared. When I start breathing, it's gonna go off on me, man.
Pull your legs in.
Okay. Let me count to three. And I'm going in. Please. I'm not trying to win. I get on the ground, anything. I can't stand this, man. He know it.
Yes, you get in this car. We can talk.
I'm claustrophobic.
I'm hearing you, but you're not working with me.
God, I'm claustrophobic, man.
Slide your butt over here. I'm going to pull you in.
Get in the car.
In the front, please.
No, you're not getting in the
I'm
front.
claustrophobic, so
Get in the car.
Okay, man, okay. I'm not a bad guy, man.
Get in the car.
I'm not a bad guy. Man. My nose. Please, officer. Please, please.
Take a seat.
Please, man. Please. No.
Take a seat.
I can't choke. I can't breathe, officer. Please.
Fine.
My wrist, man. Please. I can't take this, man. I can't. I'm gonna lay on the ground.
Get in the squad.
I'm gonna lay on the ground. I'm going down.
Get in the squad.
I'm going down. I'm not going to breathe.
Bro, you like that a heart attack shit, man.
I know I can't breathe.